What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for you guys. And today we have something special for you. Today we have an unboxing of the Toyota Supra for the Fast and Furious set, number 1 of 5. Really excited to open this one. I've been waiting a while, and just for this kind of a special occasion. But today I have my lovely assistant, Miss Orlando Underground, with me today to help with the unboxing. Let's get into it.
Could be a little tricky not to mess up the car. Okay. Almost there. Okay, we got it. I think we got it. Oh, this side.
Oh wow, it looks like almost like some red bulks or something on the rims. Like they're all blacked out. Like bulk T37s. Show the top.
Yeah, the top's super nice. I like the back a lot.
Is it right-hand drive? I think it looks right-hand drive.
I think so too.
Is the steering wheel on the right?
Oh, it's on the left.
Oh, okay.
It's on the left.
Nice. Oh wow.
It's really cool. I love the silver with the blue. And like they use some stickers for the headlights and the tail lights. You could tell they're like very special printed stickers.
Yeah.
Definitely.
No, they did a good job on this casting. They knew that people were really gonna go crazy over it probably. So they really wanted to make sure they did a good job.
In the car, like on the cover thing, I love that too. It's really nice.
Yeah.
They did a good job on the design.
Yeah, it looks great. Like definitely one of the better castings that they did recently. Okay. Yeah, if you guys want one for yourself, we're gonna have a few for you in our eBay store. Like we have a couple extra of each one. We have the Supra, the BMW, the Chevy Nova SS in stock, and the Lamborghini Gold. But that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. We're doing it a little bit different. The phone died in the middle of the ending, so we had to re-record the ending, but it's part of the game. So yeah, we appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't had a chance yet, we record car shows and skateboard content as well. We just did a video called Elite Tuners. We have a couple different versions up right now, straight up walkarounds or the entire event. So if you want to get up close with real life Hot Wheels and stuff, if you're interested and bored, check it out. But until next time, happy hunting, stay safe.